Are piano chords the same as guitar chords? Hi, I'm April from Piano Lessons Info, here to answer this question today. So the answer to this is yes and no. So the yes is piano chords are the same as guitar chords in terms of what you see and what you read. So if you see a C chord, it's the same for guitar, for banjo, for bass, for piano. It's all the same. So the C chord, for example, refers to the notes that you play. So guitar players play the C chord in their order on their instrument. On piano, we play the C chord like C, E, G, something like that. And where it's different is guitar players have tabs, so they have a structure, they have a positioning to follow that piano players don't need to follow. So they play a C chord in a specific way with a specific place in their hand, whereas we can play a C chord everywhere, all over the place. So that's how it is different. So piano chords are the same as guitar chords. You can use the same chord sheets as a guitar player to play chords.